Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn English through a simple, powerful, and life-changing story. Watching videos like this is one of the best ways to learn English. You can listen to clear sentences, understand ideas, and learn new words in a natural way. When you listen again and again, your mind remembers patterns. Slowly, you start to speak better. You feel more confident. So, don't worry about mistakes. Just listen, understand, and enjoy. Now, let's begin our story. There was a young boy named Ethan. He was kind, smart, and full of dreams. He wanted to become successful one day. He wanted to make his parents proud. But Ethan had one big problem. He always said, "I will do it later." He delayed everything. When he had homework, he said, "I will do it tonight." When he had a dream, he said, "I will start tomorrow." When he had a chance, he said, "Maybe later." Days passed. Weeks passed. Nothing changed. He spent hours on his phone. He watched videos without thinking. He slept too much. He wasted time again and again. Deep inside, he felt unhappy. But he did not know why. One day, his grandfather called him. "Ethan, come here," he said. His grandfather was a wise old man. He lived a simple life, but he understood many things about life. Ethan sat next to him. The grandfather took a small clock and placed it in Ethan's hand. "Listen carefully," he said. "Tick, tick, tick. Do you hear that?" Ethan said, "Yes. That is time," the grandfather said. "Every second is moving. It never stops. And when it goes, it never comes back." Ethan became silent. "Let me teach you something," the grandfather said. "If you understand time, you can change your life." From that moment, Ethan started to think deeply. Let us now understand the importance of every second through 10 powerful ideas. 1. Every second is gone forever. Time never waits. If you lose 1 second, it is gone forever. No one in the world can bring it back. Ethan thought, "I wasted so many seconds. That means I wasted so much of my life." He felt a little sad, but also motivated to change. 2. Small seconds build big dreams. A big dream is not built in one day. It is built in small seconds, small actions, and small efforts. If you read 1 page every day, you will finish many books. If you practice a skill every day, you will become great. Ethan started small. Just 10 minutes a day. That changed everything. 3. What you do now creates your future. Your future is not created tomorrow. It is created right now. This moment decides your next moment. Ethan understood this and said, "My future starts today, not tomorrow." 4. Wasting time is wasting life. Time is life. When you waste time, you are wasting your life slowly. Ethan remembered all the hours he wasted. He said, "I don't want to live like this anymore." 5. Every second is a new beginning. You don't need a new year or a new day to start. You can start in this second, right now. Ethan smiled and said, "This second is my new start." 6. Time creates discipline. When you respect time, you become strong. You wake up early. You do your work on time. You control your mind. Ethan made a simple daily plan. He followed it step by step. 7. Time is more valuable than money. Money can be lost and earned again, but time can never be returned. Ethan understood this deeply. He stopped wasting time on useless things. 8. Time builds success slowly. Success is not fast. It is slow and steady. Every second you use wisely brings you closer to your goal. Ethan stayed patient. He worked every day. 9. Time helps you grow as a person. When you use your time to learn, you grow inside. You become wiser. You become stronger. You become better. Ethan started reading books, learning English, and improving himself. 10. Every second is a gift. Time is not just something we use. It is a gift. Every second is a chance to live, learn, love, and grow. Ethan looked at the clock again and said, "Every second is important. I will not waste it anymore." Final story part. Months passed. Ethan changed completely. He woke up early. He studied daily. He helped his family. He followed his dreams. People around him noticed the change. One day, his grandfather smiled and said, "I did not change your life. You changed your life by respecting time." Ethan replied, "Yes. And I learned that 1 second can change everything." Final message. Dear friends, do not wait. Do not delay. Do not waste your life. Start now. Use every second, because every second matters. And remember, watching simple English stories like this helps you learn English naturally. Listen daily. Practice daily. Grow daily. Thank you.